Aceclofenac, detailed pharmacological profile. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand names, and drug forms. Generic name, Aceclofenac. Pharmacological class, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. Chemical class, phenylacetic acid derivative. Common brand names, Hyphenac, Zerodol, Movon, Airtal. Available drug forms, tablets 100 milligrams, sustained release 200 milligrams, dispersible tablets, topical gel cream 1.5%. Combination products, Aceclofenac plus paracetamol, Aceclofenac plus muscle relaxants. Number 2, definition. Aceclofenac is a prescription NSAID used to relieve pain, inflammation, and stiffness, particularly in musculoskeletal and rheumatologic conditions. It is structurally related to diclofenac and provides anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and mild antipyretic effects. 3. Mechanism of action, detailed. Aceclofenac works by 1. Inhibiting cyclooxygenase enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, 2. Blocking conversion of arachidonic acid into prostaglandins, 3. Reducing inflammatory mediators. Effects: prostaglandin E2, pain sensitivity, vasodilation, swelling, inflammatory cytokines IL-1, TNF-α. It is relatively more selective for COX-2, which reduces inflammation, causes slightly less gastric irritation than non-selective NSAIDs. However, it still carries GI and cardiovascular risks. 4. Pharmacokinetics in detail. Absorption: rapid and complete after oral administration. Food may delay absorption but does not reduce extent. Distribution: highly protein-bound, 99% to albumin, crosses synovial fluid, useful in arthritis. Metabolism: metabolized in liver, converted partly into diclofenac, active metabolite, half-life, 4 to 4.5 hours, sustained release form, prolongs effect. Excretion: mainly via urine as metabolites, small amount via feces. Had 5 uses, therapeutic uses. A. Inflammatory joint disorders, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis. B. Acute pain conditions, dental pain, postoperative pain, low back pain, sciatica, sprains and strains. C. Gynecological pain, dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation. Number 6. Indications. Indicated for chronic inflammatory arthritis, acute musculoskeletal pain, degenerative joint diseases, post-traumatic inflammation. 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications, hypersensitivity to aceclofenac or NSAIDs, history of NSAID-induced asthma, active peptic ulcer or GI bleeding, severe failure, severe hepatic impairment, severe renal impairment, 3rd trimester pregnancy. Relative contraindications, elderly patients, history of ulcer disease, cardiovascular disease, coagulation disorders. 8. Precautions before taking this medicine. A. Gastrointestinal risk can cause ulceration and bleeding. Risk increases with elderly, alcohol, steroids, anticoagulants. B. Cardiovascular risk may increase risk of myocardial infarction, stroke, hypertension. Use lowest effective dose for shortest duration. C. Renal risk can reduce renal blood flow. Risk higher in dehydration, elderly, diuretic users. D. Liver monitoring. Periodic liver function tests recommended in long-term use. 9. How to use. Take after meals. Swallow whole with water. Do not crush SR tablets. Do not self-medicate for prolonged periods. Follow prescribed duration strictly. Dosing information. Adults, 100 milligrams twice daily or 200 milligrams SR once daily. Elderly, start at lowest effective dose. Liver impairment, dose reduction required. Children, not generally recommended. Safety not well established. Never 11 missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next dose. Never double dose. Overdose symptoms, severe abdominal pain, vomiting, GI bleeding, drowsiness, metabolic acidosis, acute kidney injury. Management, gastric lavage if early, activated charcoal, supportive treatment. Number 12, when to stop immediately. Stop and seek medical help if black stools, vomiting blood, severe chest pain, sudden weakness or speech difficulty, severe allergic reaction, swelling of face or throat. 13. Side effects. Common, dyspepsia, nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea, headache. Moderate, elevated liver enzymes, fluid retention, dizziness. Severe, GI bleeding, peptic ulcer, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, myocardial infarction, kidney failure. 14. Vital information, important safety points. Increases risk of GI bleeding without warning. May mask fever, infection warning sign. Not safe in late pregnancy, causes premature ductus arteriosus closure. Long-term use requires renal function monitoring, liver function monitoring, blood pressure monitoring. Number 15, drug interactions. Increases bleeding risk with anticoagulants, warfarin, aspirin, clopidogrel, corticosteroids. Reduces effect of antihypertensives, diuretics. Increases toxicity of lithium methotrexate, digoxin. Avoid combination with other NSAIDs. Number 16, drug comparison feature, aceclofenac, diclofenac, ibuprofen, atoracoxib, Prezib. COX selectivity, moderate COX-2, moderate, low, high. GI risk, moderate, higher, low dose, lower. CV risk, present, low, higher. Dosing, 1 to 2 times day, 2-3 times day, 3-4 times day, once daily. Aceclofenac is often preferred for chronic arthritis due to better GI tolerability compared to diclofenac. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching for aceclofenac. 1. How to take the medicine. Take exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Usually take in 100 milligrams twice daily or as directed. Take with food or after meals to reduce stomach irritation. Swallow the tablet whole with a full glass of water. Do not crush or chew sustained release tablets. 2. What to avoid. Avoid alcohol. Increases risk of stomach bleeding. Do not take other NSAIDs like ibuprofen, diclofenac, aspirin unless prescribed. Avoid self-medication with over-the-counter pain relievers without consulting your doctor. Important safety information. This medicine may increase the risk of stomach ulcers or bleeding, especially with long-term use. It may increase the risk of heart attack or stroke, particularly in patients with heart disease. Use the lowest effective dose for the shortest duration. Not recommended during the 3rd trimester of pregnancy. Inform your doctor if you are pregnant, planning pregnancy, or breastfeeding. Number 4. When to seek immediate medical help. Stop taking the medicine and seek medical attention if you notice severe stomach pain, black or bloody stools, vomiting blood, chest pain, shortness of breath, swelling of face, lips, or throat, severe skin rash. 5. Monitoring. If used long-term, regular checkups may be required for blood pressure, kidney function, liver function. Missed dose, take as soon as you remember. Skip if it is almost time for the next dose. Do not double the dose. 7. Storage. Store at room temperature. Keep away from heat and moisture. Keep out of reach of children. 8. General advice. Inform your doctor about all medicines you are taking. Inform healthcare providers before any surgery or dental procedure. Do not share your medication with others. Thank you. Have a nice day.